2,000 years ago, someone built a machine that could predict eclipses, track planets, and count the days of the Olympic Games. It looked like a rusted lump when divers pulled it out of a sunken Roman ship in 1901. Everyone assumed it was junk. They were wrong. Under X-rays, the lump exploded into gears, hundreds of teeth, miniature shafts, a gear trained so precise it behaved like a clock. This was not decoration. This was computation, an analog brain made of bronze. How did Greeks, living on the edge of empires, carve tiny teeth that meshed with such accuracy? The first surprise is the gears themselves. They used an epicyclic arrangement, gears moving on top of gears, to mimic how planets loop and lurch across the sky. That trick would become a staple of clockmaking over 1,000 years later. But the machine did more than show planets. Inscribed markings let it predict lunar and solar eclipses with the Saros cycle. Turn a single hand and a hidden mechanism would advance a calendar plate, show lunar phases, and even point to the months of games and festivals. It compressed centuries of astronomical knowledge into the turning of a knob. The deeper you look, the stranger it gets. Some gears use prime number tooth counts to avoid repeating errors. Tiny pinions fit into plates thinner than a coin. The makers solved problems of wear, backlash, and calibration in ways modern engineers admire. This was engineering with the soul of a mathematician. Then comes the escalation and the heartbreak. This genius was lost. The workshops that made such things vanished in wars, fires, and social collapse. For centuries, Europe slid into simpler mechanics until the mechanical revolution found these ideas again. The machine is a fossilized proof that technological leaps can appear and disappear, like lightning in a bottle. Imagine a craftsman with a file and a rule, modeling the heavens with brass and patience. Imagine knowledge so precise it could predict a shadow centuries away, wrapped into an object that sank and slept for 2 millennia. That contradiction is what haunts me, brilliance that didn't keep its lineage. It asks us what else humanity once knew and then forgot. It asks us what we are accidentally letting slip now. If this blew your mind, share it. Dive deeper with us. Subscribe for more discoveries that rewrite what we thought we knew about the past.